Okay, we're recording.
Yeah.
Do your spiel.
I don't know if it's a salmon or a trout.
You pulling hard?
Pull them pretty good. You got her bowed right over. Oh, he's shaking his head. No, he's right in on the shore.
Oh yeah.
See where he's at?
Heading for them rocks.
Shaking his head to be. Oh, that might be a salmon. There's a lot of pressure on him. Oh, he's right over on the shore. Can you see?
Yeah.
Well, the line is coming over here now. How much line have you got out?
Quite a bit.
I hope you don't get tangled up in it. Oh, there he is. See him?
Yeah. Do you want me to get the...
No, I can get him. He's just a bit. Done.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think I got your line, Law.
Oh yeah, you got my line too.
Did you stop recording?
No.
Yeah, pay attention. Get this fish on here before I lose it. Come here. Let go of Mama's fly. Oh. Easy now.
He almost looks like a speckled trout. Look at them. Look at him.
Not a real big one.
No.
Settle down
Nice.
now.
Looks good and healthy.
I had him hooked good right in the corner. Should I keep him or let him go?
He's still a small one. Let him go.
Quite small, ain't he?
Yeah, we'll let him go.
I'll let him go. There you go. Lo, he just took right off. Well, there's one, darling.
Well done.
Okie dokie. Let me get my slime off.